Hey, this is Mr. Schulke. I'm going to teach you how to use a citation generator as a tool to help you make sure you record the information you're going to need for in-text citations and to create your works cited page. I'm not going to show you in this video the proper MLA format for creating those. I'm just going to show you how to use the citation generator as a tool. So let's go to Google and we're just going to search for citation generator. And this first one that comes up, Citation Machine, it's a pretty good one. It has a lot of ads on it, but it's a useful tool. I will show you, though, why you still need to know how to make your citations properly to be able to use this. So we're going to click Create Citations, and you can cite all kinds of things, website, book, journal, and if you click the more, you can scroll down and cite a chapter from a book, an entire database, the dictionary, whatever. So I'm going to cite something from a website, and I want to create a citation from this article that we've looked at in class, Touch Starvation as a Consequence of COVID-19's Physical Distancing. So go to the URL, highlight and copy the whole URL. And then we're going to paste that right here in the citation machine. And what it does is it searches for the article online to see if it can find the details. I'm going to make sure the title matches. Yes, that's the title of my article. And it says Center and Pierce. Well, let's double check and make sure this is the right article. Shanley Pierce is the name of the author. And, oh, this was made by Texas Medical Center. So that's probably where the center comes from. So this is referring to the right article. We'll click Cite. And it's going to verify some of the information, the title, the URL, the title of the website, TMC News, and yes, that was from Texas Medical Center News, the date accessed, and the date it was written. Let's double check that, May 15th, 2020, May 15th, 2020. Now you need to verify all this information because see what it's doing? It's trying to list Texas Medical Center as if it's a person, and Shanley Pierce is actually the only author of that article. So I'm just going to delete Texas Medical Center, verify everything else. That all looks correct. And we'll click Complete Citation. And now it's giving us a few different ways of citing this. And this is why it's important for you to eventually learn how the MLA format is supposed to look. Now, these first two have the title of the article, Touch Starvation as a Consequence, and italics. And you only put the title in italics when it's referring to a larger piece of work. So if that was the name of a whole book or an entire database, then you'd put it in italics. But because it's one article or one piece of a larger work, you actually put it in quotes. So this third one is the proper way to cite it. So I'm going to copy that citation, and I'll just go to this works cited page and paste it right there. There we go. Now, if you know your MLA format, you know that this is not properly formatted. So you're going to have to learn that. But we have all the information that we need. We have the author, the title of the article, the publisher, the date accessed, and the full URL. So that's how you use your citation machine just to help you make sure that you record all the information so that later you can put together your works cited page.